In this video, we will show how to replace the LED strips in this 65-inch LG TV. The first step is to be sure your TV is unplugged. Remove the screws and the back cover on the TV. Remove the remaining screws around the entire TV on the back side. In this video, we are using a tester TV, so we have removed the scan drive boards and some other pieces. Normally, you would need to gently lift and release the scan drive boards so that you can remove the panel. They would be located in the area highlighted in red. Remove the bezel. Using suction cups, lift and remove the panel from the chassis. The panel is very fragile, so be very careful. Pry loose and remove the filter frame pieces around the TV. Lift the filters together and wrap a piece of tape around them in the corner to keep them together. Remove the filters from the chassis. Remove the screws that hold the strips to the chassis. Remove the small clips that hold the reflector sheet to the chassis. Remove the reflector sheet and any remaining screws on the strips. For time's sake in the video, we will only show a portion of the strips being replaced. Disconnect the strips from the cables and then remove them from the chassis. Install the replacement strips, connect them to the cables, and align them properly on the chassis. Put the reflector sheet back into position. Install the screws to secure the strips to the chassis. Reinstall the plastic clips to hold the reflector sheet to the chassis. Reinstall the filters and remove the tape. Reinstall the filter frame. Reinstall the TV panel. Reinstall the bezel. You would also need to put the scan drive boards back into their original position, which is not being shown since we do not have those boards in this tester TV. Put the back cover back on the TV and install the screws.